Welcome to Khai channel. Like, share, subscribe my video. First, crack that one egg. Then put a little soy stock in it.
Oh.
Then add milk.
Okay.
Enough.
Start mixing.
Okay.
Okay, what's next?
After that, we put the plate in.
Back and front.
Back in front.
Okay.
Back in front.
Okay.
Put it in.
Put it to the pan. Okay, mommy help you this.
Okay. Put it in. Finish.
Okay, we can put in the middle. So in the pan, we've already put butter, right? Right? In the pan, we already put butter, right? Okay,
Yes.
now mommy help to on the fire. Okay, we can fry it.
Put low fire and ask mommy to help you. Put 2 and 3 minutes and low fire. Check is it brown color so it won't burn your toast.
It's okay, it's done.
Can. Have it.
This is done.
Yes. Brown already.
The brown idea. Mommy turn it.
Brown.
Like that. Okay.
Sometimes it gets thick. Another side also brown, then we can put to a plate. Next one, put on the cheese on it, or jam, or butter, or peanut butter.
Which one you like?
Jam.
Yeah.
What? Learn to cook with your mommy and daddy. Hope you like it.
French toast.
Bananas and jam.
Yummy. How about some baby?
And cheese and jam.
Okay, enjoy. Enjoy.